All. Welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari, and in this video I will tell you about the remaining part of reinforcement learning algorithm which I taught you in my previous video, which link I will provide you on my iCard which is shown above. So friends, in this video I forgot to teach you about something which is very necessary, because in this video I forgot to tell you that this is input raw data. Fine. So in this raw data, with the help of this pink and blue and green dots, I give you the raw data. Fine. So with this raw data, I told you that agent will take this input raw data and would take some certain action under some environment, and if agent here would learn that this is the desired outcome, so he would get the reward. So I provide you this input data with 3 colors. Fine. So it was one, I gave you one blue and one red and one green. So what agent would do here? Agent would take what is the desired outcome. Agent will tell that this is, if agent would separate that green color dots input raw data here single-handedly. Fine. So agent did right thing. Fine. Agent did right thing. And if on the other hand, if agent would collect the raw data blue, he would separate that input raw data with blue dots. Agent did right thing. Fine. And if agent separated this blue dots, red dots separately, I hope it is visible to you, separately, then agent did right thing. So here what agent would do? Agent would get reward. Why he would get reward? Because he separated these blue dots and red dot and green dot according to their classes, so under certain environment. So by trial and error, the desired outcome done by agent, he would get reward. So here what agent would do? Agent would get reward. Here agent would get reward. Here agent would get reward, and here agent would get reward, because he classified all the three things correctly. What if agent did something wrong? What if he placed this blue dot under green dot too? Fine. How? If he did like this, under green input raw data, he placed some blue data too. So here what agent would get? Punishment, because he was by error he mistaken that blue data, raw data is also green data. So here he would get punishment. So next time again he will do action, and he would separate this blue dots from the green dot according to their classes. So I forgot to tell you about this thing in my last video of reinforcement learning algorithm. So I forgot. So while I was watching the video, my own video, I came to know that I have finished this thing in half, and I started teaching you. Just to teach you, I started teaching you mango, apple and all, and I forgot that thing. Fine. So this I have taught you now. Fine. With the help of trial error, this thing agent would do. So this is the thing. Now we will come to the next part of our video, and after that I taught you about the supervised learning algorithm in optimization video, last optimization video, where I taught you about all these things. And under supervised learning algorithm, I taught you about the gradient descent, batch and mini batch, stoichiometric. All these things I will teach you in a separate video. Fine. So in this video I'll tell you about some tit and bits about the remaining part, what I forgot to tell you about my last video of machine learning, under which I taught you unsupervised learning, supervised learning, and reinforcement learning algorithm. Fine. So fine guys, I whatever I told you in my previous videos, it was a roughly idea or outline of the idea. The detail part would come in upcoming videos, fine, where we would learn about all these things. So what is unsupervised learning algorithm? In unsupervised learning algorithm, I forgot to tell you about one thing. Under unsupervised learning algorithm, I hope it is visible to you, an unsupervised learning algorithm, what basically happens is, under unsupervised learning algorithm, when data is in huge quantity, when data is in huge quantity and we have to build data with a small quantity, and you got the data with huge quantity, fine, like there is million data available to you, and you don't know how to use that huge data, but you want some small data to build your model. So what you do, you will do here dimensionally reduction process we use in such type of problem. So that type of problem comes under unsupervised learning algorithm, fine. All these terms whatever I am telling you or whatever I have told you in my previous videos, I think who are new to this learning of this course, they would understand this thing in my upcoming videos. So here this dimensionality reduction thing is very important to teach you, all those students who want to learn data science, what is dimensionality reduction. So in unsupervised learning algorithm, when data is in huge quantity and data scientists wants data in small quantity, fine. When data is in huge quantity, but data scientists want data in small quantity to build their model, of machine learning. Then data scientists perform which process? Anybody remember what I told you just few seconds back? They perform dimensionality reduction process. Dimensionality reduction process. So this is the thing under unsupervised learning algorithm. So what is dimensionality reduction process? What comes under dimensionality reduction process? This I will tell you in this video. So under dimensionality reduction process, principal component analysis comes. Principal component analysis performs, fine, by data scientist. And second thing, they use linear discriminant analysis, fine, linear discriminant analysis, that is also called LDA. That term also I will teach you in my upcoming videos, but the brief idea you all should have understand. In my all previous video till now, whatever I taught you is just the outline of the whole course, fine, whole course of machine learning. I haven't taught you till now the deep learning. I haven't taught you until now the artificial intelligence. I haven't taught you till now the about statistic or maths part. Fine. I'm just teaching you from all my previous videos about the machine learning and what comes under machine learning. Fine. So under this thing, linear discriminant analysis is also used, and after that kernel PCA is also used. Kernel PCA is also a term used under dimensionality reduction. Kernel PCA. Fine. These three terms comes under dimensionality reduction process. So this thing you all should have and should know about these things, and these principal component analysis, linear discriminant analysis, earlier kernel PCA, that all these things would come under machine learning. When under unsupervised learning algorithm, data scientist or you upcoming data scientist would perform this process in your during your real time experiments in real time world. Fine. When you will start building your model, so this thing you would learn in upcoming model. So after that, what happens is, what data scientists do, that to increase the accuracy of their model, data scientists, to increase the accuracy of their model, they used regularization process also. What process? Regularization process. What is regularization? To increase, that means increase to increase accuracy in the model data scientists use regularization process. So in regularization process, what they do? What steps come in regularization process? In regularization process, they use ridge. That is also a term called ridge. Fine. Ridge regression, I think they call this regression. I don't know surely, but I am just remembering that it is regression. I'll tell you in upcoming videos, because it is ridge regression, I guess. Yes, ridge. Fine. Ridge regularization or regression. I would confirm that, but ridge is there. Fine. Ridge regression. Fine. And after that, lasso. That is called lasso regression or regularization. That comes under regularization process. So these two terms data scientists use to increase the accuracy of their model. That too I will teach you in full detail in my upcoming videos under machine learning process. Fine. After that, model selection is used by data scientists. Model selection is also used by data scientist. When model selection is used by data scientist, they perform two things. They perform what? They perform, number one, k-fold cross validation. K-fold cross validation. After that, what they perform? K-fold cross validation. After that, what they perform? Grid search. After that, they perform grid search. Fine. So this is the thing. During model selection, they perform this thing. Who performs? Data scientists perform. They perform k-fold cross validation and grid search. And after that, what they do, data scientists, they perform ensemble learning. Do not get worried about what I am teaching you. You just have to learn the outline, whatever I am telling you. Fine. Do not get bothered about all these terms, how we will learn it. These are very simple and very easy. You have to just focus and learn on my videos, whatever I am telling you. So this is ensemble learning. Under ensemble learning, what data scientists do, they perform bagging, not begging, not beggar wala begging. It's not beggars begging, it's bagging, bag, where we put our things during school time. It is that bagging and boosting, bagging and boosting. Fine. Bagging and boosting. After that, they perform XG boost. So these terms you should have learned, all the English medium students. Fine. This is that all these terms I taught you, that comes under unsupervised learning algorithm, which I forgot to tell you, because these are very important terms used during unsupervised learning algorithm. So that's all for today's video for English medium students. If you like my video, please like and subscribe it and share it to your needy friends. And I am so sorry, because I was having some problem, health issue, so I could not upload my videos for 2 days. So now it would be regular now onwards. So this is for unsupervised learning algorithm. Thanks a lot. Keep learning. Happy learning.